Thank you. I just want to say a quick reminder, this couple has been working hard to save themselves till marriage. Jimmy, Allie, they've invited you to the consummation this evening in the green tent. So, I'll tell you a little bit about my friend Andrew here. I've been lucky to know him about 10 years and have seen his scrotum on several occasions. But really I've been able to make a lot of fun memories with him, including last year when he officiated my wedding.